One of the cars I am about to show you is the best example of sound in a piece of rolling stock that I have ever personally seen. And another gets me excited as an N-scaler in general. And another one is actually an affordable G-scale car. I'm kind of all over the place in this episode in case you haven't figured it out. My name's Jimmy, I'm drinking some breakfast blend coffee, and this is Coffee and Trains.
This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One video that I've enjoyed recently is Martin Tarnow's fast and easy method for creating a prototypical cityscape. He uses a laser cutter, which is something that I have, which means this is really interesting to me, and I like seeing how he does it. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49. Offer is valid for new members only.
If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. I'm going to start with the affordable G-scale car, actually, and this isn't a piece of rolling stock. It's a little speeder. This is the Bachmann G-scale rail speeder, and you can find these for about 70 bucks. It is motorized with all-wheel pickup for electricity. This has a couple of figures and some cool details like flashing lights. Now, don't judge my garden railroad on this, by the way, because I haven't gotten it ready for running this spring. But this thing is just a lot of fun to run around the railroad. My kids absolutely love it. It's also really perfect for small setups like a Christmas tree or a little office display. Next up is a piece of rolling stock that makes me so happy, and you actually saw it in the last video, and the reason that it makes me happy is a bit of, I guess not quite nostalgia because it was just a few years ago, but these are Fox Valley Models Trinity RD4 coal hoppers from Scale Trains. Now, Fox Valley Models was an N-scale company that made many great locomotives and rolling stock. The first DCC install I ever did was a Fox Valley Models ES44. Now, Fox Valley models fell on hard times, but Scale Trains revived them, which made me so happy. Scale Trains has placed Fox Valley Model into their lineup in a mid-tier position below rivet counter, which is accurate for Fox Valley. These gondolas are perfect for N-scale, and they're on par with brands like Microtrains, Mid-Tier, Atlas, and Athearn. They have metal wheels and Microtrains compatible couplers. The cars are great, and they come with a lot of road numbers for each road name, and I mean a lot. I think for Norfolk Southern there's like 18 or 19 or something like that. I bought 12 of them. The only gripe that I have is with the uncoupling pins that come off of it. They hang a bit low and can snag on turnout frogs, but this is a somewhat common issue that's not unique to these cars, and this is usually why a lot of times I will actually take the pins out. These are great for making your coal unit trains, by the way, just because you can buy a bunch of different road numbers in one swoop. The final one is one of the coolest cars I ever bought, and I didn't expect to like it this much. It's the Scale Trans Rivet Counter N-Scale Trinity 82-foot mechanical reefers. These things, of course, are highly detailed, being from Scale Trains and being from their Rivet Counter line, but I'm super happy that they have changed their N-Scale coupler system to be more Micro Trains compatible. It's a lot better. They are awesome. The biggest thing about these is that you can get them with sound. Check them out. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up, this is the closest to the best sound you can probably get in N-Scale, and the sound is the best implementation of sound I have heard from any N-Scale rolling stock. It's literally just the perfect volume. You can place it on the track and you are good to go. The only thing that I wish it had was a small insert in the case just to give you a quick few instructions on what the switch on the bottom does, but that's about it, and that's definitely not a deal breaker of any sorts. This is just a really cool car to have. When you're running it around your layout, you don't even hear it running with the trains, and when it's sitting there, you don't even realize it's on, and you're like, wait a minute, what's that mechanical sound? I actually didn't realize it at first, and I was looking around to figure out what the sound was, and then I realized that the car was still sitting on the track. So now, these cars are 82-foot cars with body-mounted couplers, so radius is a factor. I have used them on Kato 282mm curves, which are just over 11 inches, and they have done okay. You just may want to slow down with them, just like in the real world. And definitely take your time over turnouts and crossovers. These are just some of the new stuff that has already come out this year. There's more to come from 2025, including some things that I am pretty excited about. What is most exciting for you this year? I want to know that. Let me know in the comments. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.